As a technology company, how does technology, automation, AI come and play into Juniper? Albert Einstein said it really well. If you want to change, you've got to rethink. And so rethinking is paramount, and for rethinking, automation and AI is paramount. When I'm in the boardroom, when I'm in a CEO staff table, the conversations have been changing over the last few years. Automation, right from RPA to intelligent automation, various levels of automation is paramount for every company to be successful. There is a lot of retooling the CEOs they're thinking about. Retooling while managing risk across adaptability, predictability, and resilience. So that is paramount for many of the CEOs. They're also reimagining, rethinking the way they work. For instance, everything from development to delivery needs to be a seamless flow of resources. So let me just take you back to some of the areas where we actually used the Automation Anywhere capabilities over the last 3 years. First of all, every element we touched had at least 100% return. I call this day -1. Before you start deploying a network, you think about the design. Now you have a digital twin. You have a twin of the network you're going to create. So that's a new thing in this world, because you actually can model everything before you actually do the network. So that's possible because of AI and automation. After that, when you get the first shipment of a device and you connect it to your whatever, Ethernet jack or the Wi-Fi or whatnot, all you do is scanning a QR code, and magically, from the cloud, all the configurations come in. You actually deploy the entire network, and the network is up and running. This is the new network. But the underlying thing is very simple. In this new world, data is king, which means that the more data you have, the more algorithms and insights you can run on top of it, and the more you will know how your customers are behaving, what the customers really need versus what they ask you. And more importantly, you know the problems in your customer install base before it happens. End-to-end automation, when you think about this, you typically think in terms of, legacy systems and new systems, how do you tie them together? But it's more than that. It is discovery, automating and delivering the value, but the new thing which is coming is the auto improvement. With the advent of Gen AI, we have the ability to do a lot of automatic improvements, which is actually going to speed up the velocity of the business. So this is something we're looking forward to.